about to make some cookies. So basically my shirt, I want to show y'all my shirt. If you've been watching me since the beginning of VLOGMAS, I got this shirt at Five Below, and it says, I just want to watch Christmas movies and bake things. So today we're gonna be baking. It is Christmas Eve. We gotta bake our cookies for Santa. And that's on period. I'm gonna just clip my hair back a little bit. And I was gonna wear this, but I don't think so. But, and I got some pajama pants on. They just have frosty or something. So first things first, y'all. You gotta wash your hands, because you don't wanna be making cookies when if you see my AirPod, I have my AirPod in because I'm listening to music and I don't want to get copyrighted. So I'm making some cookies and I'm gonna drop some off to my friends because I have to drop a few things off. So let's see what we got. Okay, so I completely forgot that I baked. I could have sworn I had one of these, but a sugar cookie version, but whatever. So I got the gingerbread cutout ones. And then I got some chocolate chip. So I'm gonna cook these ones first because I have to frost them. So I'm gonna preheat the oven to 375. And then it comes with a frosting recipe. So I need a frosting, but yeah, I'll probably frost them, yeah. So I'll show you guys how I make the frosting. So basically, I'm gonna take these out the bag. And I'm gonna just get a pan and I'm gonna place them on the pan. So I got my pan. I'm gonna put some parchment paper down on the pan. And I'm gonna put the gingerbread in. So this is my pan. Thumbnail be like, so now I was gonna make frosting, but I have vanilla frosting already, so I'm not gonna waste my time and make them. So those cookies are gonna go in the oven, and then I'm gonna ball some chocolate chip cookies up for us to put in the oven also. So yeah, we're not gonna share. Okay, now can I take your order? Let's do it. Oh shit, I think I'm pregnant, but I don't see no belly. Just trying to come out way before I'm ready. Be mad at them niggas, why you be mad at me? Hey, why would my AirPod disconnect? Do it on a date. 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 A-list, this city girl shit can't flex like this. Old country girl can't dress like this. Do it on the internet. I'ma spaz on it. I'ma crash on it. Focus in. Rich with an attitude, RWA. Bitch, I got kids. I know how you hoes play. Fuck boy. I need a nigga with a paddock and a tech form. Do it on a deep. Do it on a deep. Bitch, hot bitch, burn down. I'm a no shoot certain nigga, just straps. How do I do this? Alright, y'all. Now I'm gonna bake them and then I'll show you guys them when I'm done. Hey guys, so the cookies are done. These are the chocolate chip, well, obviously. And those are the gingerbread. I ate one of the gingerbread. I don't feel like frosting it, to be honest. Let me set myself up. I changed my shirt. I put on a black tank top and I got this, put on this necklace. It's a Playboy bunny. I got me and Maya matching ones, and I put some curls in my hair, like a little bit, nothing too crazy. I think I might curl my hair tomorrow, like extreme type wand curls or something. I don't really know, but that's basically it, guys, for this vlog. I'm now about to run some errands and I gotta get ready for this product launch. I gotta have everything ready. So basically, by the time you guys are seeing this, the product will be launched. If you're not already following Makeology on Instagram, go follow them, go shop with me, tell your friends, support your black business. I'm gonna, all the ad and website for Makeology is down below. But I hope you guys have a good Christmas Eve and a good Christmas Day. I will be seeing you guys tomorrow. And if you don't celebrate Christmas, happy holidays. I will be seeing you guys tomorrow because it's Christmas time.